What's up, guys? It's December 2nd, 2024. What a BS day in the markets, man. I'm doing this kind of late. I got I took a beating. I took a beat down today. I'm not too happy with my trades. One winner that I scalped out for a point. I bought the low of two. I scalped out on pretty much for one tick, the high tick of bar 12. So I was in sideways price action for an hour. Kind of annoying. Anyways, having a little glass of wine. Cheers, everybody. If you're not 21, not cheers to you, but maybe one day. Yeah, but still cheers. Daily chart. We're in a bull channel. We had that first pullback. Man, today's price action was tough as hell, guys. Not a fan. Leg one, pullback, leg two. Then we have a fractal, leg one, pullback, and now we're in that second leg, and we're going way more sideways. Ooh, a lot of overlap. Sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off. Gap up, sell off. Doji, sell off, rally, sell off. We close on lows first time. And you know what's interesting is we still haven't actually had a trend line break. Um, we are still within this channel, but we had an opposite bar. So nonetheless, leg one, pull back, leg two. What if I had my own theme music? Da-da, da-da, price action breakdowns. What would the theme music be? It'd be your stop loss has been hit. Your stop loss has been hit. Congratulations, your stop loss has been hit. The reason I bought bar two was because the electronic hours rally. I saw this, and you know what kind of sucks? Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Bar two is a wedge top here. I got caught in a lot of overlap. The high of bar one right here, let me go back to normal hours, is a bear bar. So let me talk about that. Yes, this printed a bull bar. Bar one is a bull bar, then a bull rally. That got me. I had a friend point out to me. The high of bar one is a bear bar. And bar two is follow through for that bear bar. So yeah, we rallied, but now we have a 3 bar micro channel that you can't necessarily see. And that was a pretty big eye opener to me. So here could be a small bear bar, right? Well, it is a bear bar because there's a tail. So there's a like one bear bar, like two. But in training range, we get delayed second legs. So you can say leg one, wedge bottom, right? Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back. Wow, my mouse is a little funny. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull. Wow, excuse me. So if we're counting, we're counting the bare legs. Leg one, pull back, leg two, deep pull back. So it's a deep rally from the low of six to the high of seven. Pull back, wedge bottom into the EMA. I think bar 9 looks like a good buy, honestly, and I think even bar 10 looks like a better buy because there's no tail up top, so bulls bought right up into the close. Bar 12 is a small tail rally, another small tail, and then we have a pullback here. So you could say leg one, fractal leg two. Trading ranges is really important to trade or to count implied legs. Leg one, deep pullback, leg two. Leg one, deep pullback. Remember this rally? Leg two, pullback, leg three into resistance, and we get a sell. What really got me tripped up was so we had a rally. I got caught here. This today is the first day I came very close to taking a 1R hit, which is why I just knew today is just not the day for me. I'm pretty annoyed with today. Bought that low and I hit out like right before 1R got hit, and I can't remember the last time I did that. It kind of sucks, but it's the name of the game. Excuse me. Rally. Oh man, I don't know if I did the mic check. Hopefully we're running with it. Rally, deep pullback. Bears are getting trapped below the EMA. This leg looks like it should get a leg two, and it never does. Breakout 21 is not a bear bar. It's the minimum the bulls need. 22 is a bull bar, so leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. I also bought the low of 33 and got trapped here, and I think I took one more trade in the TTR and I was like, I'm done. I'm sick of this. I don't today. I think today was one of those days. I think for me, I came in hot. I was pretty close to my payout. Top of December, I wanted to I wanted to make money. Now I'm speaking out loud. I came in with the intentions of making money and not really trading what I saw. So I'm very frustrated because I watched this whole like happen and then I traded here. I literally watched this go down and I traded bar 33 and that just put me over the top. Almost take a 1R hit here and then I watched the actual move take place. 36. So if we have a leg one, resets the breakout, resets the market cycle, breakout, 23, channel phase, leg 2, pull back leg 3, 36 puts us into a range and that's what we get here. Today I think was a very hard TTR because I don't know. Here was another TTR. I just hope. What does the overnight price action look like? I'm doing this pretty late at night. Okay, so nothing really. We got a rally. A 7-point rally. How much was the rally today? 14 points, so that's not even a lot. About this rally. 12-point rally. Wow. And now we have a 7-point rally here. Man, oh man, oh man. And you know what? I'm kind of terrified to say. Typically, we can trend for 3 days, or we can go range. We can go sideways for 3 days. So I just hope even if we go sideways tomorrow, we get a little bit wider price action. It was tough. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. We go sideways. TTR, breakout leg 1, pull back leg 2. Breakouts inside trading ranges and triangles have a 50% chance of failing because they're trapped bulls here, here, and here. So bulls are about this high, are going to buy more lower. And this ultimately became a failed breakout. And at the end of the day, we got a clean, somewhat of a clean leg 3 legs. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Strong sell of 75, and then we go into right back into that TTR. So let's go over the trades. Nonetheless, there were some trades today. I hope you guys did better than me. So we have a bull micro channel. 16 is a high one in the trading range, and that has more sellers above it. And we can see that, 16 is a high one in the trading range, and they typically have more sellers above it. We can see the tail of 14, 15. And then look at that. Bears made 1R before bulls even came close to 1R. So bears made 1R. So if you bought 16 looking for a continuation, bears made 1R in 2 bars. Bulls made 1R in 4 hours and 30 minutes. Crazy, crazy day, man. So there's one trade that would fail for the bulls. And then we can't forget this trade. If you're looking for leg 2 of this, maybe short 23, that fails. And bulls actually get closer to 1R than the bears. So that's 2 L's right off the bat. I didn't take the short here, but I took a bit bigger hit. So here's 1R. Hopefully this one went through by the low. Excuse me. I'm drinking red wine in a Warriors cup. I don't watch sports, but I'm definitely like for the local teams. I always want the San Francisco goes crazy when like the Warriors or Giants win. So yeah, 1R was met. 1R, 1.5R is met over here, but I'm not waiting that long for 1.5R. And then we go sideways for about more than half. I mean, we were sideways here. We were sideways here. We were sideways here. We go sideways for 2 hours. This is somewhat of a bull flag. Leg 1, push down, 2, push down. Leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, failed breakout, wedge bottom, rally. Here's another wedge bottom. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, bar 47 rallies, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. Then we go sideways. So if you're looking for leg 2 of these bars, so for the pullback, I'm counting the pullback legs. 50, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, wedge top, bear flag, leads to. This is 2 bars though, so I'm not taking that. I look for 3 bars or more. Yeah, 1.5 hours not meant in any trade. Talk about gaps real quick. Gaps are getting closed today. Here's a gap. There's a gap everywhere. You get a gap. You get a gap. You get a gap. Man, I hope this hope we close strong for the year. Today was a test. I failed, and I got very frustrated. I actually stepped away from the computer for a very long time. I even walked my dog like even he was like, "Yo, you're walking me for too long." I was not happy with today. I have taken losses in the past, but today just was like a mental test that I just failed at. I messed up, guys. I lost only like 10 points, but I don't know why today was so taxing on me. I think like the holidays, the idea of getting a payout and then running into a range, just kind of it was just the perfect storm to get very pissed off very quickly. Like I'm buying bar two, that's a bad buy, especially 3 bars higher. I was hunting for profits. Oh yeah, that's the type of gaps we want. So yeah, look, all the gaps are getting closed. This gap gets tested here with 58, and then it rallies actually. So there's a bull gap open. Today was a quick one. A lot of sideways price action. Most of the trades failed. We had 2 rallies that didn't. Actually, let's do the math. Let's do the math real quick, guys. Okay, so most of us would buy that. I bought the low of that bar. I like to buy bear bars and sell bull bars. So this fails. We get, let's say, perfect world, we get out at this bar here. Even let's say we get out at the close. We lose 5 points. We don't have time to take that short. And we're in a bull regime, so I wouldn't have taken that. I'm not going to place that down. Then we take this, put it here. See what I mean? Because that's the first pullback after 3 bars. So that's the buy. So, right there, look, 4.5, 6.5. And then let's see how many points this is real quick. Put this here like that. There's the proof in the pudding. Trading 3-bar micro channels would have still left me profitable today, but I got hasty. And then you know what? Let's even do this. Because this is a micro channel here. I definitely would have taken this. I might have waited for the bull bar because it's because now we're in the second leg. So let's just say I did take that. And then I get out here. Get the calculator out. Okay. So minus 4.5 plus 6.7. So now I'm just doing the math. Minus 2.25. So now we're at 0, and then plus this last trade, 5.5. That would have been, so all these trades would have canceled each other out. This never got a short. We're in a bull regime. And yeah, this last trade would have been profitable. So 1, 2, 3, 4 trades in 6.5 hours. 1 winner, then 1 loser, then 1 loser, then 1 winner, then 1 loser, then 1 winner. Today was a test. I failed. Anyways, I'm gonna get a good night's sleep and start back up tomorrow. I hope you guys do good. I hope you guys are drinking some wine. Hope you guys relax. And hope you guys did better than me. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you for always tuning in. And yeah, hit me up in the Discord. I know one of you did. I'm not dropping names today. But yeah, thanks for always hitting me up. I appreciate it. I will talk to you guys later, and I wish you all the best. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays.